Hello and welcome to Friday! Friday, everyone! Hello and welcome. If you're here for investing, forex, and laughter, this is where I am. And I've been away for a week. I know I've been away for a week, but I think it's been a good week. I think it's been a great week if you've been following my analysis and stuff like that. So back with the coffee cup here. I actually forgot to bring a spoon, so to mix my coffee and my chocolate, because that's what brings me high. I'm the high one. Have fun. So, if we go into what we're really going to do today, I think that it's important for us to to recap what we have done this week and what we're going to do this weekend. I am probably not going to be here this weekend. I think I'm going to go away, so I hope that that is okay for you. But yeah, so I almost forgot that I was supposed to be live now, but here we are. So I hope that you are having fun. So we have Abbas here, we have Shuran, we have give me some coffee, I guess. Yeah, brings me high. Okay. So and then we can go through some trade setups. And I have found more and more resistance to my dollar. To my Aussie dollar saldo. I don't know. People are like, well, I posted it yesterday and someone was like, Eivind, why didn't you tell us ahead? I'm like, I told you 4 days ahead. Like, you're 10 pips, 20 pips difference. Like, dude, shit. I told you 4 days ago. Like, what do you want me to do? So, and then multiple people have been like, well, you didn't tell us. I'm like, yes, I did. I did. And you need to tell us immediately, and I'm like, oh yeah. So if you're here, I don't know, but I'm trying my best, mate. I'm trying my best. So even me calling out myself, even calling out my trades is an accomplishment for me though. But here I am. All right. So as you arrive here, please type in the comment section whatever you feel like. That doesn't matter what. But I think that let me have a test today. If we like have a lot of discussion now before we start, does that have anything to do with the YouTube algorithm? I don't know. Maybe. But that would be great. So, we have got some. Jesus, we have some new subscribers lately. That's okay. But so we have to welcome them. But it's some new to the family, and then we will try to make them laugh yet again. As always. And it says hi, hello, Harold. Like, I don't know what's going on today, Harold. Are you? Maybe I should find my phone. Jesus. Have I forgotten my phone somewhere? Yeah, I don't know. I forgot my phone, mate. This day is terrible. Am I allowed to leave? Can I put on some music for you guys and then I can leave and go and find my phone? I feel like I'm lost without it. Or is that like bad content? Give me a vote. Yes or no? Can I go or yes or no? I don't know where my phone is even. What if somebody calls? I don't know. Okay, here we are. Was it you, Abbas, who called me? Or is it somebody else who called me? Because I know you can call my phone, but I didn't recognize the number. So I didn't take it. Jesus, I can't find my own YouTube stream here. Come on. There we are. Confirm. I know this is bad content. I'm sorry, people. Don't blame me. Okay, then we just take that off then. Good. Fair enough. Because I can't see you, Harold, as yellow, and I can't see myself as yellow, so I'm just wondering what's going on here. Or if it's just my YouTube thing that has gone bad. But yeah, okay, cool. Okay. So, Zup, people. Have a good Harold taste. I feel like in the kindergarten bus trip now. What do you mean? Like the music or something? Okay, yeah. So yeah, I knew it was. Thank you, Sammy. I was like, do I like is it important now? I'm like, I don't know the number, so I'm like, So apparently I have to save that one number, Sammy. Sorry. Sorry. You guys are just talking whatever, you guys. Cool. So, as a kindergarten teacher, I think everything is fine. Yeah, if I'm your kindergarten teacher, Abbas, I think that we should I passed the kindergarten yesterday, and there was one word I heard. It was online so I can count you, step in line so I can count you, hold the line so I can count you, please go in line. Maria, don't ask questions now. We will take questions later. Please go back in line so I can count you, so we can go. That's how that's the kindergarten that I know of. Is to structure kids and to help them be, responsible adults more than anything else, or human beings, I guess. But I guess they're not adults. Oh, somebody forgot to tie their, like. Why did nobody tell me that I forgot to button my button? You guys. Why are you guys making fun of? Why are you making fun of me? Eh? Quera, eh? No, Abbas, please talk as much as you want. Please talk more. Please explain what you've been doing in the Telegram group. I have not been paying attention. So, dollar rise going higher, and we are looking for prices near 95.50 and 95.30. Good on that. I look hot. Oh, thank you. Don't make me flatter. Yuto Algo likes chest hair. Yeah, I saw a woman today on TikTok. She had 181,000 subscribers, and when I went to her live, let's say that I'm not going to picture it. I'm not going to tell you what I saw, but I saw this is the pool edge, and the person was in the edge. That is the head. That is the shoulders. That is the shoulders. And that is their hand, and that is their hand, and their hand probably went like this, up how like this or something. And then I saw that and that. And then yeah. Anyways, I'm not as good as, but boobies. That's what it was. But I don't know if I'm allowed to say that. But it's interesting. So I guess I'm gonna get taken down now for content violation. But yeah. And then maybe more like that. Anyways, I don't care. Why am I doing that? Well, I'm tired. I'm sorry. I slept like 4 hours late last night, so I feel like I've had a rough party. But yeah. So if there's any sense to this stream, I talked about black swans in the VIP webinar today with Eivindfx, where I'm the head analyst, and I think it went well. Probably a bit tired, but I think it went well. Thank God you're back, Siva says. Thank you very much. Don't tease me. I'll be silent. Posted 3 charts today. US 10, EU, and GU. We have the new Capasso. I can't draw. If you make me draw a human being on any kind of... This is just a mouse, though, but I will draw this is a human being for me, It's a big head, 2 eyes, smile. That wasn't not a good smile. Some hair, some eyebrows, and a nose. You know, that's how it goes. What did Lagarde say? Well, sorry for that shout. Actually, I heard that through my own ears. Even on Twitter, I think I saw something around Christine Lagarde earlier today. Like I saw like a face of her. I don't know if I need to go to explore or something. Christine Lagarde. But I saw something about her. But looking forward to good discussions in Outlook. So it's an academic outlook, maybe? Well, they have 5% inflation, though. So probably like they're thinking, well, that's great. But, Lagarde, recovery has been stronger than anyone expected. Oh, oui, oui. No. The recovery has been staggering. In a way, we are victim of our own success. No. Now we have inflation. No. German PPI. PP. You know, you have a PP. German has a PP. Might be high, but the euro is for 19 nations. So even though Germany has a big PP, doesn't mean that all the other nations has a big PP. So some base effect will clear out soon as next month. Okay, okay. Will bottleneck? Okay, cool. So questions. So yeah, I guess that's what you said. That is more. That is it's been stronger than expected more than anything else. Hair looks awesome in the picture. Yeah, it does. But you know. Shoran says, what's the break even Aussie, mate? Because I have no idea right now. My break even right now in Aussie, well, when I am break even, well, because I sold my soul to the devil. No, I didn't do that. But I sold here, so that is definitely break even. And then the other one is also now in profit. I think I'll just keep it open because I think that will come back up there. But this one is break even by far. So, you know, so 1 out of 2 trades, if you have sold up here, you're not break even. And we talked with this one about with Kibet yesterday, and I do apologize, Kibet, that we just fell. And we were like thinking of selling it here, and I'm like, maybe not. And it fell. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for being that way. But yeah. Hayatsa says, hey, Eivindfx, hello. I sold it. Don't fool around with DXY. Yeah, that's what we do. Sir, how comes China data affect New Zealand? You said it on next channel. New Zealand. Biggest, this is what you should do, Mr. Tsiwa. Biggest trading partners. This is the Google you do. You Google this, and then you go ahead and you look, and then biggest trading partners are by trade, I guess. Ascending. No, that was the wrong one. Okay, this one. China is their biggest trading partner by far. So that's why it's so important, because that's where they get their money from. You know, money. So if they want to sell something, they're selling it to China, and China is buying it. So, and then Australia is the other one. So, and then Hong Kong, China is also another one, but still China. So China, that's why. So whatever. So it's like if you have a customer, Karibu customer. I don't know why I'm going Kenyan today, but I know I'm too jokey. I'm sorry. So Americans, if you have a customer, and the customer gets lower pay, he can't pay so much anymore for your products, will you have more or less sales? You'll probably have less sales. Therefore, your value of your product goes down. The same thing with New Zealand dollar. When it's less likely that China will buy stuff from New Zealand value will go down. We're going down. Okay? That is the analysis. Cool. Are we just 23 today? Oh, damn! You guys are hot. You guys are many. Yeah. Nice. Also, what else can you say about Aussie other than dance, break dance? Other than that, I think we are pretty good here. I just want a new lower low so we can sell some kind of resistance, and then we might look into selling like 72.14 on Monday-ish. Yeah. Euro, eh? Euro is coming back and 13.62. We haven't had the same pullback on Euro as on Aussie, so that could be a thing. And yeah, it's okay. It's okay. 13.62 is okay. I don't like it, but we shall see. Pound dollar analysis says Sha. Yeah, we will do so. I will do so. I will do the next one. Don't worry. What is happening with Euro USD? Nothing wrong. It's falls. It has been falling. So if this now breaks 1380, we have a short-term bullish trend up to 1440. What I just said in pure technical analysis is if this level here breaks, we have a good setup probably up to 1440, like up here, and then down. So we have that opportunity there. We have that opportunity there. And we have that opportunity there. Opportunity. And for those, well, I guess you don't know, but there's a show called Duck Dynasty from Louisiana in America. It's a fun family. So I'm just going to tell you guys because I'm not going to show the clip because it's a very funny clip where one of the guys goes to the local swimming pool. Sorry. The local, public swimming pool. And it says on the sign, if you have had diarrhea for the past 14 days, you can't swim. Any of the days for the past 14 days. And he starts counting like... where he ends up and says, really? I can't remember a day without diarrhea. So, apparently. That's the most American thing I know. I feel like I've been unleashed. I've just been waiting on my jokes for so long. I feel like, I'm sorry people if you're not bothering my jokes, but I feel like I'm free now. I am free, and I can tell my jokes again that are not so nice again. So and if YouTube takes this video down, I'm happy. It's worth it, man. It's worth it, man. AJ, you're the man. You too. Love you. Sold 1350. Did you sell 1350? Okay, cool. Okay, cool. So, pound dollar. So, what's going on here? So, dollar is strong. We have increased interest rates in America potentially soon. They also talked about 2 rate hikes in March. Yeah, okay. I saw something about that, and then that's why the market fell yesterday. That's my small theory. And the other thing to note here is pound is also very strong. That might also increase interest rate this year. So we might have a very delicate position here at pound dollar. Maybe pound dollar might not be doing so well this year because, well, it depends who's strong at which time, but we might have a more range than I would like to. So maybe other pairs against pound and dollar might be better than pound. But yeah. So right now, I said on pound yen, which is the same thing, I guess. I said sell that thing. I didn't say sell it, but I said if I was a trader, I would like to sell that, and if it comes back up there, I would sell it. And guess we did. We sold 80, 51, 56, 86, I think it is. It's I think I was 2 pips out. I was 2 pip different. I'm sorry, it was 2 pips off. But yeah, so that's that one, and we didn't have that on pound, okay? Dollar. So that's kind of your sell, that's kind of your sell, that's kind of your sell, and that's kind of your sell. Now, I said around there that I'm not going to trade it anymore, and have not traded ever since. Okay? So right now, I need to kind of figure out where I believe myself it's gonna go. And I believe, so I haven't really got my head around it. Sleeping for 4 hours doesn't really make anything, doesn't make anything better. But yeah. So by the way, tomorrow I am probably going to go somewhere else. Probably going to go for a day trip somewhere far. So I don't think there's going to be any responses, any lives, any videos or anything tomorrow. So maybe I will make the weekly video tonight if able. God help me. I might do that tonight, but if not, then it will be on Sunday. T2 to hold. Okay, so Mr. T2 hold. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, let's no hate. I understand you, but you have to come from the correct analysis. Okay, so with the correct analysis, first of all, you need to look at inflation. There's two most important thing for a central bank is inflation and unemployment. Inflation is 5.4. It is skyrocketing high. Unemployment rate was 4.1, and the annual growth rate of GDP is 6.8, and the monthly growth rate, I guess it's a Q is 1.1. So we have great or pretty good growth. We have a very good inflation unemployment market. So then retail sales comes down. Well, let me show you though. I don't know. I don't know where it is, but interest rates is the pyramid top decided by the central bank, CB, Bank of England. That is divided into inflation and unemployment. Something like that. Unemployment. Inflation and unemployment. And then underneath that, into one subgroup, is all the other ones, okay? PMIs, retail sales, confidence, consumer and producer, like business confidence. It is, like all the other ones comes down here, but this is the most important ones, right? So in the pyramid, that is what I look at first, and then I see this as a total group. And one point is not enough. You have to look at the trend. So if you have one bad retail sales, I don't even flick. I don't even care. I don't even notice. I don't even look at it. I'm just, okay, cool. But let me see the next 2 or 3 retail sales. Are they as bad as this one? And also you have to look into retail sales, as at least in America and in Norway, you've been told, well, you won't get your Christmas gifts. So people bought them earlier. And then December is going to be bad because nobody bought in December. The next thing here is that UK opened up yesterday or something with COVID, like less COVID restrictions and stuff like that. So that's when you need to start looking at retail sales after the open, right? That is the future, all right? Good. Yeah, and I'm not saying technically we can fall, okay? But I am personally not confused. I'm not showing weakness, but I need to assess the situation yet again, and I need to come out with my own answer, not just, well, I can just take someone out there and say, well, Mr. Putin said that pound will fall. Okay, I don't know if Putin has that opinion, but yeah, let's say that. Have a nice day, Stephen. Yeah, okay, cool. Do you mind answering gold as well? We will do so. Yeah, okay, I haven't done it anymore. Okay, thank you. Take a break. You deserve it. Yeah. I think I need it. And I'm trying US 30. I totally see what you're saying with what it will be bullish. Economic major here, like yourself, just like Spears. So don't listen to me. Don't listen to me. Go to Bank of England. Just go there, and then you go there, and then you look at their monetary policy and whatever. Read more. Okay? So, I will just say, okay, currently it's 0.25, next one is 3rd December, 3rd of February, 16th of December was the meeting. There is 2% inflation target, we are at 5, we're way above target. To help sustain growth and employment. What is growth and employment? Growth and employment is inflation and labor in unemployment. So that is in the first sentence. That's why it is important to look at inflation and unemployment first, or labor, or NFP, or whatever you call it. It depends how it's being calculated, or how it's being measured, right? Or which indicator we use. And then they go to talk about what they did, blah, 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 blah. So the first thing that they are concerned about is these 2 indicators here. Now, growth is also GDP, and it's also retail sales, but it's majorly inflation. Okay? Okay, cool. So I just proved that whatever I say, it comes from somewhere, and whatever I say is probably rubbish. As I was told by somebody in the comment section, rubbish, never go live ever again. I'm sorry. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Also, no. Also, I'm not hating at all. I'm just telling my stand, and I hope that you see where I come from, and I just don't. Well, whatever I say, I have found it from somewhere, and it's not just my opinions. Great. Good to know. Okay. Yeah. No. Also, not only the not the Bank of England website, but that's also get it from the source. I'm not telling you to read the whole the website, but that's where I get it from. So I'm trying to claim my own back, I guess. But right now, technically, it can fall. Pound can fall. Fall as much as you want. I won't nudge. I won't bother. I will be like, cool. What else? I felt like I was like American cartoon right now, like a yellow bird. I don't know what it's called, but something like that. Yeah. Is Traders Way still my favorite broker? Nah, also it's not. I don't have any. I still use them, by the way. Yes, but I use FX Pro. I use Uanda, so I'm diversified at the moment. But yeah. So if you want to use FX Pro, cool. If you want to use Uanda, cool. Abbas, Abbas, I will publicly tell you on YouTube, stop talking to investing.com, or I will personally myself tell investing.com that you're not a good boy. Okay? Just stop it. Jesus Christ. Abbas, you never learn, do you? This is like your millionth time ban, right? Hello, Adu. Will you book direct TP3 or book partial profits? I will go through that one. Yeah. Totally cool. Cypher says USD Cat had a chance to continue the bullish. Well, that's how is the market? Adu. It is absolutely amazing. It's fantastic. It is great. It's like lovely. Wow. So yeah. So why am I flicking so much? I'm sorry. Okay. Aussie, we sold up there. Everything is great. Euro sold wherever we sold. Still way in profit. So Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful world. Hakuna Matata. There's no passing craze. I need to find that one. But anyways, so pound was recovered. And now we are just at S1. Okay, we can continue a bit more to 135. That's great. But any pullback can be looked at sells, but I won't take it myself. Okay, cool. Good. USC Cat was requested for by who? No other than Cypher. Cypher says USC Cat had the opportunity to go bullish. Yes, it had, and no, it didn't. So, I'm out of here. I'll try it. Please don't do that husky again. My mom is looking at me. So you guys need to have headphones on. You guys need to have headphones on. Okay. I can give you mine. They cost like, I don't know, $10? Something like that. No, 10. Yeah, ish 10. If you need headphones. How do I send them to India? I'm just laughing. I'm sorry. I just need to laugh. Oh, okay. Sorry for the content, but oh. Raphael, I've done $Aussie. We have sold. There's nothing else to do than to maybe look for a pullback to 72.13. But yeah, that's just all up there yesterday. I'm sorry. My pigeons, yeah, I was mailing, yeah. Nah, they're pretty good. I love them because they have this. They're called. It's the iPhone. It's not iPhone. It's a Samsung 6. It's a Samsung 6 iPhone headset. It has this thing that goes into the air and it holds it. You can run with it, and well, $10 is like, well, it's not really good quality. No, not really, but also it works. Also, it goes, and it's keeping it for like a year at a time or something. Costs $10 and or whatever it is, and they hold very well. 71. Whenever Eivind sings Hakuna Matata, the market definitely is great. Okay. New Zealand dollar, another great trade. I think we could just, I don't know. Should we just call it a day or something? I don't know, people. I'm trying to be serious. But yesterday people were like, Eivind, be serious. And I'm like, I can't. Why do you want to change me? Yeah. For Aussie dollar, mister, I can just go through that one easily. I will book partial at 71, and I will book the rest of them. I will book all of them at 17. Yeah. Yeah. You're welcome. You're in New Zealand. If you get a chance, I can do that. Yeah. Well, I would just ban the dollar pairs now. Euro New Zealand is it's a range, but it goes higher. That's okay. That's reasonable, and maybe some high rise next week. Never knows. Vikram Singh says he has been following me from Abe when trading. Sorry, I'm just laughing right now, but yeah, welcome very much. Thank you for jumping over. I'm here to help you out if you have any questions. And but yeah, don't make me make those sounds again. I guess it's just my brain telling me. Yeah, it's a break of daily. Sorry, I'm late. It's a break of daily, so that's great. Up to take profit. I just need to see it, continuing higher and all that, because Euro Pound went that way, and when it went to target. So I think I think, yeah, it's a bullish trend. So all buys on that one, I would say. Yeah, good on it. Just zoom out a bit. Oh yeah, can yeah, maybe, yeah, maybe. But also a range here though, so that's not great. So that makes me worried that this might be the top. That might be the bottom, but I don't like middle ranges, but hopefully we'll just trend. Awesome. So yeah, so continue higher. Boom, 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 boom. What's again? Tja, that was a sell 13th of January. Sorry about that. Could we have taken that one? Yeah, I think we could have. Did we? Yeah, so that's a great one. That's a great there. That's a great there. Same thing this week. Great there, great there. What is going to be happening next week? This week. Yeah. Timeout. I'm sorry. Why did I say that? Why did I say that though? Oh. I don't know if everyone heard it, but cheers. I need to take coffee. So, 82, 82.50 is probably 82.20, 82.50. Probably good levels for next week. But Cypher, you have a new joke there. Yeah, this week. I was a mess up. I'm here trying to make content and try to be helpful to you guys. Don't send me away. I don't want to sleep. You can just wear sunglasses. Yeah, you know, I'm a fancy YouTuber now because I have light, right? You know, I don't have any lights on, right? And then boom. Yeah, so it's like I need to have sunglasses right now. Maybe I should wear sunglasses so you can't see that I'm actually not well, but anyways. So, those are the sell levels for next week. Woohoo! And then we shall see what happens today. But yeah. So great bearish trend. We have a new lower low. We have the trend we want. We have the sell price we want. Yeah. So if you want to join, if you want to join, Discord is free. Don't worry, I'm not gonna charge you anything for that. But it's in the link above if you want to. But has anyone joined today? Is there anyone new today? Nobody new today. Okay. Okay. No new. But let's go. Let's rock. I don't know if I'm rocking, but I'm definitely going. So cool. So sell, and sell. Pretty standard operating procedure. 77.35, 77. So yeah, I think that's great. So that's New Zealand yen. Same thing for New Zealand dollar. Just wait for a pullback or something. Something great. Wife is sending me a message. What's it about? Okay, she's driving. Don't ever drink and drive. No, don't ever text and drive. In Norway, that costs you, I think it's $100. So if you have that laying around, congratulations. If you run a red light in Norway, I think you get charged somewhere between $500 to $600 for a red light. So yeah, so don't. And if you drink and drive, it's stipulated on your income. So somebody got $1 million in a fine. Also lost his license and had to go to jail, whatever. But yeah, the fine in monetary was $1 million. So don't drink and drive, people. It hurts. the people you might run over. So right now, USD yen is kind of like exhausted and stopped and somewhere in the middle. So I don't really bother here too much. But sell price, bottom maybe, I don't know. And then we shall just see what will happen next. I don't have any plans. It can do that. It can do that. It doesn't really give me a lot of. It's like looking at a screen for the pregnancy of your wife, and it's just a black screen. So I don't see anything here. I don't see anything here. Raphael says, do you ever buy in a downtrend? For example, in a daily pivot buy area where the sellers are taking profit? Yes, I do. I do that, Raphael. I don't want to, but I can't help it. AR says, I joined your channel. I like your very funny and good content. Thank you very much. I must say that. Yeah. So, should we do gold now? Is there any gold traders left in my channel? We are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers. 'Cause we are the champions. Couldn't do it loud there. Sorry. So if anyone wondered yesterday if gold was ever going down to 1828, finally, mamma mia, it is finally working. So I can just set up, my YouTube career is over. I have done so great with my analysis this week. Oh, Mark has been agreeing with me for once in my lifetime. So this week is going to be saved as the greatest planning week ever. If you didn't make money this week, I am sorry. I am sorry if I failed you. But if you can't do basic things, I don't know. Okay. Mic drop for the millionth time this week. Oh, it fell on the floor. But på. That means on. So the pen wrote på, which is on in Norwegian. So good. Good on that. Let's go! Yeah, Raphael. No shame in demo. No shame in demo. No shame in demo. I love that you're on demo. I lovely. Mwah. Love it. I just give you a kiss. Have you ever looked at Mana and the Sandbox? I haven't done that lately, no. Last top as target on gold? Yeah, probably. I haven't been talking about targets on gold for a long time, thinking, well, but that was the weekly target, by the way, 1849. So we hit that, so maybe 1864, maybe? 1864, 1865-ish? The previous level here, yeah, something like that. Back to demo 2. I would like to ask what's your view on pound dollar for February. I don't have right now, AR, and I would love to have one for you. I don't know. Not because I am weak or because I'm terrible or because I'm stupid, but it's because I haven't done the analysis yet. So I can't do analysis without doing. I can't tell you what about about. Yeah, it is optimistic. Of course, it's optimistic. What do you call me? Do you call a person that's laugh that I'm pessimistic? Oh, hell no. You can rewind the video, and I did pound dollar. Yeah, I did. AU is pulling back. Are you telling me that my money is going away? All right, so brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, I told you that oil was going to 87 this week. What happened?
What happened, bro? What happened to you? Well, you know, I had a bit much to drink, coffee. Gosh, that was strong. But I was right, wasn't I? It went in.
But yeah. So buy level for next week, by the way, people. Yeah. It can also fall further though, but that's a buy level. And then if this is a reversal enough for you, I don't know if that is, but somewhere between 84 and 85 is probably a good place to buy. And then Harold, since he is a YouTuber, Sandbox, did you call it? Sand something, just sand. And what is it then? Is it sand? Which one is it? Sandbox. Anyone? Sand against dollar. Have you ever looked at Sandmon and the Sandbox? Sand. I think it's Sand Dollar. I guess that's what you're talking about. I don't know. But I never looked at this one.
Looks like a free fall.
Okay. The Sandbox. I don't think I would ever find that one. Oh, it's okay. There we go then. Same thing, I guess. 123. Surprise. You're welcome. Thanks. Good. No one in the library is early with me. Headphones, mate. Headphones. It's not really bad. It's not really adult content. It's just a lot of sounds that you probably want other people to have. But sorry. But yeah, but don't laugh though. Don't laugh too hard in the library because then we'll be kicked out. Flat out bearish, I guess, and has broken lower. And I don't know if it goes higher ever, but it is definitely on the downtrend. So if you're buying it, I wouldn't. But yips, and probably take profit if you're buying it, and hopefully it could turn soon. Yeah, it's funny. So bearish lower. Hello, Denise. Hello. How are you? I've looked at the link at the chat when I was live, and I really thought I tried to look for you, but I saw later on that you had commented and stuff, and I'm like, huh. So I'm like, I'm sorry I didn't see your comment though, but I really tried. I really value your presence, so yeah. Because I don't know. I said that this yesterday, and somebody actually thought who it was, or saw who it was. But I said yesterday that I tried to contact someone on YouTube. Not on YouTube. I tried to contact them on Discord, and then asked them on YouTube on the YouTube live, and somebody else replied by that this person doesn't reply to messages. I'm like, huh? Have people become this? Well, my thought was arrogant. I don't know if that's the word, but so I was like, I was so blown away that a person you can talk to a couple of months ago no longer responds to messages. So I asked, is there any other way to contact you? And there wasn't too much of a drive, and it wasn't too much in the comment section. So that question that was there for quite some time, and nobody answered. If that ever happens to me, people, please knock my head off. Please put me back to senses. If I ever become that person, I hate to become that person. But if I ever do that, just tell me. Just tell me. It's hard to get in with training for my new job. Yeah, but I saw you, Denise. On the live. So yeah. Okay. Cool. Yeah, now you have a zoo. All right. Cool. So, where do we go back? How do we go back? We go back to S&P. Fell like $1 million yesterday. Some of us was crying in bed last night. It was a bad day for S&P. So just look out for a reversal. But that candle there is, it's something. It hurts. It hurts. So, but maybe we'll go back up soon. Maybe, but definitely. I think it's the 50 basis points BPS in March that is kind of probably being priced in now. So that is increased cost for businesses. So it's a short-term fall with a long-term rise. Okay, so short-term fall with a long-term rise. So right now it's just, yeah. You just stop by to say hi. Okay. 12 dogs, 12 cats, 5 dogs, 4 puppies, plus his 4 cats. And a very old bunny. Yeah, where's the squirrel? Or the squirrel will probably not survive with the cats, I guess. But you now just miss a squirrel and what do you call those birds? Those who talks. Parrot? Yeah. What do you have? What is the longest you ever hold a trade? Memory loss. Not available. I think it is. Is it 3 months? Have you held it for 3 months? Also, minimally a month. I have to go back and check, but 3 months, I would say. And then, if I lie, if it's not correct, I'm sorry, but I think it's 3 months. I once had 12 parakeets. Definitely. How much? I can't remember how much it was, but it was somewhere in the region of between 500 and 800 peps per for the best orders. So yeah. All right. What else should we do? We haven't gone through. Have we gone through everything we want to go through, other than just laughing? I can see a lot of people left the building now, but that doesn't matter anyone, does it? Well, I guess everyone's missing Nick, so everyone left. We can do gold for the last time. We'll just join over Nick so I can bully him. Not bully him, but never bully anyone. Yeah. So I said yesterday in the live on Trader Nick, this is your buy zone. It went up. That's all. And target is 80.64. If this was also the target, so just make sure you break even right now and then 18.64. That's a lot of bear poop to clean up. Yeah, it is. So thank you guys for joining in for my live. I probably shouldn't have made because I was just laughing. I apologize for my laughing. I always will and I always do, but I will come back and laugh yet again. So if you are into laughing and into forex or investing or whatever, please. Summary. I am selling Aussie. I'm selling Euro. I'm selling New Zealand on today or Monday. I've told you the prices I'm looking at. I'm not trading USD CAD. I'm looking for Aussie yen, Euro yen, New Zealand yen pullbacks. All prices has been mentioned in this live. Other than that, I'm not going to trade whatever else. So have a good night. Have a good week. Hope. Oh, US 30. Oh yeah, James. I know. I saw you. Sorry. One last thing. The analysis here is... Sorry, James. Sorry. I know. I'm sorry. I need to treat you better. You deserve better. You deserve better than me. I'm sorry. Maybe this is support, but it doesn't look too great right now. Hopefully it can be pushed higher in this session. And this was just a pullback, and now we can go higher. But it's definitely not looking great. It has broken that support. It has broken that support and broken all the other supports. So hanging on for dear life. The next level is 134,000. I am focusing on US30, bro. So right now I don't have any more buys. If you're holding buys and you're in loss, I don't know if this is going to be the level, but it's broken it, and the next buy level looks to be at 134,000. Cool. Euro Aussie, says Hamza. Euro Aussie. So I want this to rise, James. Don't see the current move right now to go higher, but yeah. Maybe this level is a sell. Yeah. Maybe that level 158 level is a sell. But other than that, I wouldn't trade it. Cool. Have a great day. See you soon.